Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can search the saved pins on Pinterest. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. Then you can see a search button. Tap on it and then search for the pin you want to. Once you're done, tap on the search button again and that's it. In this tab, you will find the pins that you've searched for. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.